on the roof getting ready for fireworks tonight. Here's Jonathan Jossel, Plaza CEO. Hello.
Hey everyone. Hello live. Here's where we're doing fireworks this evening at midnight. Join us for a live stream on Channel 8 where you can see them live. Have fun everyone, be safe. It's not too windy.
Happy New Year from Scotland. Happy New Year from Vegas. Check out Circa. The Plaza's lights just went on. We are getting ready for New Year's Eve up here. Nate's the man behind all this. Ready to blow some fireworks.
I know, but this looks nice. So, yeah, could you grab that one?
Happy New Year, Debbie. Wishing you all a safe and happy New Year. These fireworks will be live streamed on Channel 8, and also if you follow Jonathan, the Plaza CEO, on Instagram at Jonathan Jossel, he is going to be going live there as well. Happy New Year, Ron. Happy New Year, Liberty. Happy New Year, Lydia. Check out Fremont Street Experience. Have a happy and healthy New Year. We hope to see you at the Plaza in 2021.